Invincible Marketer Review, the answers. Hello and welcome to my website. The video here is designed exactly for what you're looking for. You've come on here looking for information about the Invincible Marketer, a business, a course online, about how to do marketing online, affiliate marketing, many of these things. Well, you've come to the right place. Hello, my name is Bill Morrow, and I've been marketing online for about 9 years, and in that time I have seen so much rubbish out there and so much problems, things that didn't work and so forth. But then I came across a month or so ago an information, and I started using this information, the Invincible Marketer. And I found that this was an extremely well put together system, a very good system, which allowed me to become an invincible marketer. Yes, my friend, that's me. An invincible marketer means that I can get on and with confidence I can do marketing on any subject I like out there. I can find the information, get the information, set up everything, and get started without any problem. Over the time it took me, and everyone will be different as to how long it takes them to do the course, but you start with the course, and it's a video course where you set off, take a video, watch the video, and in the end you're given a task to do. Do the task and then go on to the next video. Now, if you don't do that, if you just watch and watch and watch, you end up with a whole collection of, right, you've got to go right back to the beginning and start again. Now, if you do it in the sequence that is indicated, if you follow the sequence like that, doing one video, complete it, set it up, go to the next video, it means by the time you reach the end, you have a fully working business online. Whoa, what do you think of that? Now, that surely is exactly what you're looking for. You want to be able to work online, work from home, work in the niche that you require, whether it be health, fitness, weight loss, anything you need, anything you wish. You set it up following the sequence that's laid out in this course. The course itself, I have done the course, I have gone right through the course, I am now using the course to set up, and I now have set up my own online business. All of these things are first class. And as I say, it has taken me all this time to find something that works as effectively as this. And I can tell you now that this is perfect. Over time, you just put a small bit of effort into it to keep the system moving. And then you can go on and build another business if you want to. But let's not rush. Start off, decide on what business you want to go on to, and go from there. Now, I will make a promise to you. You come onto my list below, and what I will do is I will help you to get through the course. Because every so often you might need a little push, a little nudge, a little bit of difficulty. I've done the course, so I know the answers. I know how the system works. I know what makes it work. I know what makes me work. All of these things, and I can help you. So all you've got to do now is go down to the box below. In there you will find right on the top the link to connect to my email list. When you're on the email list, I'll send you further information to tell you all that I can, everything I can about it. I'll give you all the information about the system, how it works and why it works and everything, from my point of view, how I did it. Now, I will also tell you, I will help you to get through the system as well. So all you've got to do now is to click on the link below in the description box, sign on, and just wait for those emails to come, which will give you all the information you want. This is exactly what you've been looking for. To set up a business online, to work from home, all of those things, perfect in this climate. Now is your big chance. So click on the link below and I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.